Hi guys, Siddharth Pani here. Welcome to my Commission Ignition review. Commission Ignition launches on Monday the 2nd of November at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is the latest launch from Johnny Rose and Sasa Lick. Johnny has been coming up with some really high quality products over a period of time. Some of his previous product launches have been Gold Rush, ClickFunnels Converter, Grants, just to name a few. Commission Ignition is yet another great product from Johnny. Commission Ignition is all about the power of Quora to drive traffic to your campaigns, where Johnny provides a comprehensive training which is easy to follow and understand, where you will learn not only about Quora but also how to use it in the most effective way to promote any affiliate campaigns and earn money through Quora. Quora has a user base of 300 million users. So if you are not using it as a source of traffic for your campaigns, you are losing out on a lucrative traffic source. Now let's move to the members area of Commission Ignition to see how this system works and how you can use it to earn money online. So this is the members area of Commission Ignition, where you will find a series of videos where Johnny explains you how powerful Quora can be as a traffic source and how to use it effectively to drive highly targeted traffic for your campaigns and earn money through it. So here in the first video you will get a welcome video from Johnny, and then there's a video where he will explain you about the power of Quora that can help you drive highly targeted traffic for your campaigns. Then there's a section where you will learn all about Quora, where there's a series of videos which you can watch. And then in the second section he will teach you how to use Quora to make money with it, with a series of case studies from different people as well. And then there's a conclusion video as well. So you will learn all about Quora and how you can use it to earn money from it if you buy Commission Ignition. Commission Ignition works in any niche and can be helpful for anyone who is looking to get buyer traffic easily and quickly, irrespective of whether you are a freelancer, blogger, marketer, YouTuber, dropshipper, or anyone who is looking to drive quality traffic to their website or blog. And Commission Ignition also is being offered with a few fast acting bonuses which will be offered during the launch period. The first bonus is Master FB Ads. The second bonus is Master Bing Ads. The next bonus is Master Google AdWords. And the next bonus is Solo Ads Mastery, while the next bonus is Instagram Mastery. You'll get all these bonuses if you act now and buy Commission Ignition during the launch period. And when you buy Commission Ignition, you will get access to 300 million user base of Quora, which you can harness to drive quality traffic for your campaigns. Now remember, if you buy Commission Ignition through my link, you will be offered some bonuses from my end as well. You just need to click the first link in the description of this video, which will bring you to this page where I've listed all my bonuses, and on clicking any of these blue tabs you will be taken to the sales page of Commission Ignition, where you can complete your purchase and all these bonuses will be waiting for you. My first bonus is $0 to $100 in 24 hours. My next bonus is a complete guide to launch jacking. And my next bonus is Commission Blueprint, while my next bonus is and Introduction to Affiliate Marketing. So please remember to click the first link in the description of this video and make your purchase of Commission Ignition, and also get all these bonuses along with it. Thank you for watching my Commission Ignition review and visiting my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to be notified when I come up with review videos like this in the future.